Unique Quality Contractors, renovation specialists. Big enough to handle it, small enough to care. The reason you want to go with us is because we can handle all trades within house, making your budget go further. Not having to involve other companies, expensive sub trades. The good thing about it, I'm the salesman and the contractor. You're cutting out a lot of costs, getting your rental done on budget for cheaper. We do an amazing job. Custom stuff. This is all we're good at. Yarks taping, hand taping, very old school, very professional at it. Did some roughing, that's going to be a vanity. What we got here, this is a custom shower. So this is Dead Shield waterproof backer board. You see the shower. And Dead Shield waterproof backer board is not a gypsum product at all. It's waterproof, tile ready, and mold resistant. It's fiberglass underneath and it has a vinyl layer on top, and then we do some extra waterproofing blue seal. When the waterproofing is dry, we'll do another layer. Just for peace of mind, it'll be absolutely waterproof. You'd be able to shower in this without even the tile on. So these are why showers don't leak these days. They didn't have these systems in 20 years ago. So let us know you need a rental. We'll keep on showing you updates of more of our fishing, and stay tuned, more to come.